Steam resin, tin and wire in my hands, following each step, understand. Heat rising from the board, components carefully stored. Steady hands and patient mind, each connection I refine. Steam swirls up so slow, watch the silver solder flow. Steam is rising as I'm creating, piece by piece anticipating. Feel the warmth beneath my hands as this project comes to land. Check the manual once more, parts laid out across the floor. Measure twice with care, sweet warmth fills the air. Time moves different here as the pieces all come near. Every joint aligned, perfect rhythm, peace of mind. Steam is rising as I'm creating, piece by piece anticipating. Feel the warmth beneath my hands as this project comes to land. Rising, creating. Mist floating gentle and light, components joining, fitting right. La la la, floating higher, watch it come alive. In this moment time stands still, simple magic in the build. Everything connects just like I expect.